Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take trades with market structure. Let's start now. This is AD and pair. The trend is in downtrend here and the main trend is in uptrend. Okay. So it is a level. From this point the market reversed. So I will try to draw this whole area. Okay. So this whole area is a level and you are seeing the market is getting support. It got support already. So from the same level it reversed and it made a new high. So this is a order block zone, this level. So the market may reverse from this point. So it is a order block zone. This one also a order block zone. I will try to draw. But still we are seeing buyers entry only. It means the sellers are not interested at this point. Okay, I will try to check it in lower time frame. Okay. So it didn't make new low. Still the market reversed within the level. Still it is making highs only. It means sellers are not interested here. Okay. So it is a level. The market is getting support here continuously. I will try to place here a higher option trade only. Okay. I think I made this trade. So this is a level. It is a level. This is a hot block candle. From this point, the market reversed already. So it is a seller's area. Okay. So it is a level and this is also a level. So the market may reverse at any time. Okay. So it is trying to make a new low, but it didn't make new low. Okay. So I placed a higher option trade because it did make new low. Instead, I am seeing a lower rejection candlestick here. That's why I placed a higher option trade. Okay. Because the market broke this hard block candle. So I can expect here a bullish candlestick only. Okay. Okay, we have 10 seconds. So now it made a new low. We have opportunity now to place a lower option trade. Okay. So now we have an opportunity to place a lower option trade. Okay. So I placed a lower option trade because the market made a new low first time. This is the previous low. It is a new low. The market is getting support here. It means we can expect another bearish candlestick here because it already reversed from the order block zone. That's why I placed a lower option trade. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay, we have 15 seconds. Okay. Okay, we have 5 seconds. So this is a winning trade. So it reversed again in the middle. Instead of making high, it reversed. It means still have opportunity here to place a lower option trade. So here it failed to make new low. So if it make new low here, if it makes new low, we can go with sellers like this, at least from this level, but it failed to make new low. It means the market wants to go up only. So I will try to avoid this trade until I see any new low in the market. So it is a order block zone. The market broke this order block zone and is getting support from the buyers continuously. Okay. So again, it rejected very strongly. So the market wants to go up only. So it is the strongest point. Okay. So from this point, I will try to enter. Okay. So again, a late entry. So I placed a higher option trade because this point is very strong. The market is continuously getting a support here. That's why I wanted to place my trade here, but it placed here very late entry because of fast momentum. So sometimes it may give you a late interest because of fast momentum. You no need to worry. Okay. Okay. So this is a winning trade because the market is getting support from this point to go up only. So it made a new high first time suddenly in the market. So it means we can go with buyers. Okay. No opportunity. If market come down, then I will try to enter. So a new high and a breakout. So breakout of this level and a new high first time in the market. So I missed this trade because it moved very fastly. Okay. So it is a level already we are seeing sellers enter here. It means again the sellers may enter at any time. Okay. So it rejected from the level. Okay. So it made a new high means I can place my trade from this point, a call option trade easily. Okay. So I missed this trade. Okay. So this point is good point to enter, not this point, but it made a new high again. You can see if first time new high in the market means we can expect buyer's entry here, at least for one candlestick, but my entry point is not good. This point is good. Maybe for the next candlestick, it may give me a winning trade because it placed for 2 minutes. Okay. So it might be a winning trade for this minute, but my entry point is not good. This point is good. Okay. So again, sellers entered, continuously making lows. Okay. Okay. I have 20 seconds. Okay, let's see what happens here. So here, if you observe, this market is making lows. So if I enter here for this minute, it might be a winning trade, but here it is not. Okay. So still I have opportunity here to place a lower option trade. Okay. Okay. So I placed a lower option trade. So I placed a lower option trade because from this point it is a level. I'm seeing a rejection and a shooting star candlestick, and the market is going down too. That's why I placed here a lower option trade. So here it would be a put option trade only, but I placed here a higher option trade. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay, we have 5 seconds. So this is a winning trade. So finally the market reached this level. So it is a new high. Already we know it is a new high and it is a level. So if market makes any new high from this point, like if market break this level like this, if market makes new high and come back to the same level, then we can expect buyer's entry again, at least for 2 to 3 candlestick. And finally the market reached the order block zone. So the market may reverse at any time from this point because the overall trend is in down trend. Here if you observe, so this trend is downtrend. The market is making lows like this. So the market may go down at any time. Or if market break this level, so it broke this level already, it means the market may get support here and go up at any time. So okay, so it made a new high first time suddenly in the market. I will try to place one more trade here because already the market is getting support here. Okay. Okay, I made this trade. So if market come to this level, we can enter because I will show you here. So the market reversed from the extreme zone and it is a level. The market broke this level and came back to this point, this order block zone and this level and got support and started to go up. Means we can expect here a buyer's entry from this point until the market makes new low. We can continuously expect here a buyer's entry only, not a seller's entry, because the market is getting support here continuously. Okay, so it didn't make new low, it didn't cross this level still. Okay, so I will show you here. So if market cross this level, then the market may come to this level to get support, this level, this point to get support. Okay, you can see this level, this is the next point to get support if market cross this level. But the market is holding this level. This level is holding the market continuously because the buyers are very strong at this point. Until the market break this level, we can't expect here a seller's entry. So the market made a new high means still we can expect here a buyer's entry only until it break this level. So always observe the market like this and observe the market structure also. Then it will be easy to predict the market. Okay, so I will show you. This is my first trade because it made a new high. This is the level where the market is getting support. So this point and it is an uptrend. The next level is here. That's why I placed here higher option trade and it made a new high. So this is my second trade. So because the market made a new low, this is the previous low, it made a new low. It rejected from the hard block zone. That's why I placed here a lower option trade. So the candles are very small, but because of our entry point, it gave me a winning trade. So even though it is a weak candlestick, you will get winning trades if you place your trade proper entry points. So this is my third trade because it is a level, it is a hard block zone. So the market broke this hard block zone and getting support from the hard block zone. That's why I placed my trade here. And this is my fourth trade. So if I would place for this 1 minute, it might be a winning trade. But I wanted to place my trade here, at least this point. But it played for 2 minutes. That's why I got a losing trade. Otherwise, it would be a winning trade because you are seeing a rejection. And this is my 5th trade. The market is getting support from this point continuously. So this is the next extreme zone. That's why I placed here a lower option trade. So, and here the next candlestick. So the next candlestick is a green candlestick, you can see. So again, it made a new high, again a green candlestick. Now the market is making new lows. So you can see the market is making new lows here continuously. So the market is making new lows. That's why it is making a red candlestick. So here it failed to make new low. So this band it failed to make new low, and instead of it is trying to make a new high. So it means again the buyers may enter. So always observe the market like this. So the order block candlestick. Okay. So this whole area is the order block area. This whole area is the order block area. The market is getting support continuously, and it is a breakout, and the market got support here and started to go up. So the market may go up at least to this level. If it goes up, if it makes new high again, so this is the previous high. If it makes new high, then the market will go like this. Or if it makes new low, then it will try to go to this point at least. So this level, because this is a neckline point, then the market may go up like this. Or if market cross this level, it will get support and will go down like this. So always observe how the market is moving. Then it will be easy to predict the next market move, next candlestick also. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe.